One night in Pattaya, we finna go viral tonight, man. Tell y'all, I told y'all. One 800-Rello. Whenever y'all pull up to Thailand, call me.
We are going to give
Isn't that right?
what is it? It's right, yeah. Self pleasure is self care. When mom, dad, and uncle are signing into the hotel. The man with the funding. Who is he? J-Rello. Oh yes! We're the wildest tonight. I swear, last time I checked, we were sitting inside our lounge living room, literally just saying like, we're just gonna go to the gym, we're just gonna chill. Where the fuck are we? We're in Pattaya. It's like when you're bored in Thailand, what do you do? Go J-Rello!
Yeah, boy, thank you.
Yeah, baby! Woo! Yeah! Woo! Oh shit! Holy shit! We made the whole town go nuts! We made the whole town go loco! Shit! Woo! Yeah, boys! Look at him! Look at him! Look at him! Woo! The driver's like, what the fuck are these people? J-Rello! Go, 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 go! Woo! Oh yeah, baby. We're doing that. We're doing that. Even our driver's recording. Yes. Welcome to Pattaya, baby. Woo! So what is happening? What is going on? We are damn balling tonight. Ow! Action street. We are the action, baby. We are the action. We are the action. dreams. He carries her on his back. Oh, here we go again. It's always doing something. I think right now.
What's up, guys? We made it. Pattaya.
Why does it Pattaya? It's Pattaya.
Pattaya, because I'm a foreigner.
Pattaya.
I got you.
Different, yeah.
Look at that cockroach.
Where?
Right there. They trying to take our stuff, y'all. They take your stuff in Pattaya. As soon as you pull up, they just start taking stuff. Danny, I'm gonna get some cash for you today when we get out. When we get out. Listen,
Yes, sir.
we about to go crazy. Hey, one night in Pattaya, we finna go viral tonight, man. I told y'all. We about to do what we do, you know what I'm saying? About to go rah. Take me straight to the room, sir. One night in Pattaya with the crew, we literally came down for the night to the beach, you know what I mean? I plan on doing some type of relaxation. I ain't slept in 2 days as it is. So I need a relaxation type of night, you know what I mean? Get myself together, you feel me? So
I feel you.
stay tuned, we're gonna see how this night goes. You know? Feeling like an all-nighter.
Oh, it's gonna be an all night. It's gonna be an all night.
First day in Pattaya, I see what's going on. She's so proud.
Every time I see you, every time I see you. Every time I see you.
Everybody hopping on bikes, dipping out. Everybody got bikes, let's do it. Biker gang. She got the yellow bike, the match her yellow. Riding through the hood. On the way to the first spot, we all hopped on bikes. Easy to just take a $1 bike ride through the city, man. Me and the whole gang's a few more behind us. It's a dusty ass road. Right to the club, you feel me? Hop that bike with the gang.
We're at the Queen's Club.
Queen's Club. You get food when you're in VIP. What does that do?
You can buy the big bucket.
Are you going up?
Y'all see what's going on, right? Going crazy. Stimulating the economy in Thailand, everyone. Going too crazy. I don't want to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. So appreciative. I love it. They say thank you. They don't just take your money. Kapuka. I got balls in the clouds. Oh my God.
Wait. Oh, shit.
Damn. I'm the Pattaya, Thailand. Like I was saying before. Come to Pattaya, Thailand, man. You know what I'm saying? 'Cause this shit is too crazy. It's like every day.
1-800-RELLO.
Whenever y'all put up to Thailand, call me.
1-800-RELLO. I got you.
1-800-RELLO, tap in, man. Got it on me, you know what I'm saying? Hey, listen, you gotta work for this. You gotta earn this. You know what I mean? Come to Thailand. Hey, make sure you buy my ebook. You wanna learn how to retire? Buy my ebook. You know what I'm saying? I'll show you how to do this shit. We about 20 deep on goddamn scooters, man. Hey, watch out now. Watch out, man. Put it on her, you know what I'm saying?
Not seeing you. What about that?
I got you, baby. I got you. Don't worry about it. Making it rain. What up, though? What up?
Oh! Again!
Making it rain on the streets of Pattaya, giving back to the community, as we call it. Giving back to the community. Oh my God.
You make traffic.
Yeah, no. This is the craziest shit I ever seen. Damn, she almost took the whole wide, goddamn me. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, man, we over here having a goddamn ball. You see, we're giving back to the community directly. You know what I mean? Yeah? We're giving back to the community directly, you know. Thank you. We love Thailand. We love to be here. Shout out to the king. Shout out to the king. Tap in with me. You know what I mean? I love it. We love it here, man. We love it. On the scooter, deep. Doing our due diligence, man. Least we can do. Thailand treated us so well. It's peaceful over here, man. It's a vibe. The culture. You know what I mean? We outside, y'all.
Bring his friend. I have boyfriend already. Can you do this? Take tattoo.
They want that right. They want that stack. They want that stack. They want that stack. They want that rack. They want the racket. We made it to Walking Street, everybody. We didn't even get to where we're going yet. We just made it to where we're going. Let's just start there. Ooh la la!
Welcome to Pattaya.
Hey, let's go, let's go. Okay. Got it on me. Got it on me, you know what I'm talking about? Look, look, look.
Woo, we're gonna get wild.
Y'all see what the fuck going on, man? I don't know what to tell y'all. I don't know what to tell you, you know what I'm saying?
I don't need to tell them much. We're just gonna show you.
Yeah, buddy. Thanks for watching, man. Hey, listen, I need y'all to go turn on my page. You do it by liking, sharing, and subscribing to my page. And as always, good looking. God bless. See y'all on the next one. Yiddy.